Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe Learning Spot.
Today video is going to about variables in Python. Okay, variables are fundamental components in programming that allow you to store and manipulate data. Okay, in Python, variables serve as a symbolic names for values stored in memory. Okay, then naming rules. Variable names must start with a letter A to Z or capital A to Z or an underscore. Okay, after the initial character, variable name can include characters, means letters, underscores, and digits 0 to 9 we can use. Okay, variable names are case sensitive. For example, age and capital AGE are different variables. Here, both words are same, but Python consider as different variable because capitals are another variable. Okay, understood, right? Okay, then avoid using Python keywords, means reserve words as variable names. For example, if, for, while, do, else, like that, etc. Those variable names don't use as variables because it's looping and conditional statements. Okay, choose descriptive names that convey the purpose of the variable. Okay, how to declare a variable in Python? Actually, in Python you don't need to explicitly declare a variable's data type. Okay, you can assign a value to a variable using the assignment operator, that is equal to. For example, a is equal to 25, it is integer value. Name is equal to Smith in the brackets, that is string. E student is equal to true. Okay, like this. Normally in Java C we have to mention int a is equal to 25 semicolon, like that we have to mention. But here no need to use integer, string, float, like that. So it's automatically considered as a this is integer, this is float value, this is boolean, like that it consider. Okay, dynamic typing. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to explicitly declare the data type of a variable. The data type is inferred from the assigned value. Okay, for example, a is equal to 24. Okay, it's integer, right? So a is equal to, in the quotations, 25. It's string because in the brackets it will consider as a string. So don't do this, be clarity and use it. Okay, next, data types. Variables can hold various data types including integers, floats, strings, booleans, and so on. First we'll see integers, whole numbers. It means 42 minus 10, 0 means any number it will consider as a integer value. Okay, float, decimal numbers. For example, 3.14 minus 0.5 means any point will be considered as a decimal. Okay, next, strings, textual data, hello world, Python, means any text data in quotations, either single or double quotations, it will consider as a strings. Okay, booleans, it represents truth values, either true or false. Okay, next, list, tuples, and dictionaries, composite data structures we will discuss later. Custom objects, you can create your own data types using classes. Okay, next, we'll see using variables. Once a value is assigned to a variable, you can use the variable in your code to access and manipulate the stored data. You can use variables in various ways, such as printing, display the value of a variable using the print function. For example, print hello world. Expressions, use variables in mathematical or logical expressions. For example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5, sum is equal to a plus b, like that. Okay, concatenation, combine two strings with other variables using the plus operator. For example, first name is equal to John, last name is equal to Joe, full name is equal to first name plus last name. Okay, then iteration, use variables in loops to iterate through sequences like iteration 1, iteration 2, like that. Okay, conditional statements, use variables in if statements to make decisions, if else, if else statements. Okay, next, variable scope, the scope of a variable refers to where in the code it can be accessed. Variables can have different scopes such as global scope and local scope. Global scope variable defined outside of any function accessible throughout the program. Okay, local scope variable defined within a function accessible only within that function. Okay. Next, memory management. Python handles memory management automatically. When you assign a value to a variable, Python allocates memory to store that value. When the variable is no longer in use, Python garbage collector frees up the memory automatically. Okay, variables are fundamental building blocks in programming, and they provide a flexible way to store and manipulate information in your programs, making your code more organized and readable. Okay, that's it today. I hope understood this variables concept. Then see you next video. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel Learning Spot. Thank you. Bye bye.